Well, good morning. Where are we now?
Exmoor.
In
Somerset.
And we're going up,
Dunkery Beacon.
which is the historic county top of
Somerset.
And there's some Exmoor ponies up there that you can't see through the mist, which is why the idiots are all in their head collars immediately. So yeah. 3/4 of a mile. With me now. With me. Good boy. Behind. Behind. He's learnt a new command. Right, this side. Oh, he's mastered that this week as well, this side. Which means the other side's what he's on. That in the distance, in the cloud, is Dunkery Beacon. Here's the moorland, which I don't think is coming out very well. And over there is a hill just coming through. No idea what it is. Now, this side. Good boy. Neil didn't like the horses, but he did quite well. Smithy was good as gold. Straight past. Neil! We don't like the head colour. We're nearly at the top now, and we haven't filmed much, have we? Because A, we haven't come very far, and B, it all looks exactly the same with the cloud. But you might be able to see the silhouette of the horses all around where we want to go. Somebody doesn't like horses. Someone else is allergic to horses. And we're nearly there, and now the cloud's coming in thick and fast. But that's where we've come from. Looks to be a few more people coming up. Horses. Sorry. With me now.
It's not just one or two, is it?
No. They're very donkey looking as well. Good boy, with me.
Yeah.
With me. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
There are more horses than ponies.
Yeah. Good boy. There's the trig point. There's the actual beacon. Horses are moving away. Neil's being really good.
Good boys.
He's a good boy. Now they're coming over. We haven't got any food. These two eat it all. There's a good boy. Come on, with me. Come on. I think somebody might be intimidated by the amount of them. Come on. No! Neil! So, it is. So, right. Cheryl's climbing up as high as she can. So there's the sea, I think. Just about to see through the gap. Beautiful rolling countryside of Somerset on Exmoor. Wind. There's another horse on his own. Yep. More horses down there in the distance beyond that one. On the wind. Quite nicely now. So there's the beacon. Some more people up there now. Someone coming down. and there was the sea over there, but you can't see now because we're just coming back up this little hill. So, what do you think of Dunkery Beacon, darling?
Nice easy pop up there. Quite like that one. I imagine on a beautiful clear day it'd be amazing.
Well, we have seen some, so the sun is burning it off now. We're on our way down. You can't see the sea view anymore. You enjoy it, Smith?
Exemplary.
Neil's been fairly good, but he did manage to get his head colours off the horses. He was really good with them all, apart from the last one. So he's back on his head collar again now, because he was pulling me down. And now he's... Come on.